Okay, so first you got to make your loom. You're going to take a piece of cardboard and a ruler. Depending on the size of your cardboard, your marks can be 1 inch or 1/2 inch apart. You can see the smaller loom on the side, so that was made with 1/2 inch marks. And these marks are just to give you an idea of where you're going to start to cut. They need to be 1 inch long or 1/2 inch long, depending on if you're doing the smaller loom. Next, you're going to take your scissors and cut your 1 inch marks. So after cutting the 1 inch length marks on opposite sides of your cardboard, it helps if you separate and bend the pieces of cardboard. Next, take some yarn and tie a knot on the first square. Then take the yarn lengthwise down to the other end of the cardboard. Loop the string underneath the square and pull it through. You'll continue to do this until you've completely filled up your loom. Cut your string and tie a knot on your last square. I've strung my blue yarn to my loom. I'm going to take a piece of yellow yarn that I've just cut to whatever length. If you would like to measure yours, you're more than welcome to. I just cut a length and have made a knot onto my blue yarn. From here, you're just going to start to weave. You're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under, and pull your yarn through. Kind of squish it down if you need to, and do the same thing coming back. Over, under, over, under, over, under, and pull it through. Squish your little yarn down, and you can already see there's a different pattern. So you continue to do this until you fill up your loom. Here I've done different colored string, so I've added a red string in, and all I did was take my 2 pieces of string, the yellow and red, tied them into a knot, and continued weaving over, under, over, under, over, under. So once you have completely filled the loom with string, you're going to want to leave a little bit of extra string on at the end. Now you need to bend your cardboard squares up. That helps you release the loops of yarn that you initially made. In this case, it's my blue color yarn. You're going to take that leftover extra piece of string and you're going to weave that through those loops. And then you're going to want to tie a knot. So take that extra string, tie a knot onto those vertical pieces, that one vertical piece of string that you made at the very beginning. So in this case, it's my blue color. You're going to want to do that to the other end of the loom. So just bend those cardboard pieces up, take the loops off. And in this case, we don't have an extra piece of string. So what I did is just kind of squish out, move the yarn out, fill up the end. And then on your corner knots, you just want to make sure that they're tied off. So in this case, I had to tie one of my blue pieces of yarn to that first yellow yarn that I wove at the very beginning. So just make a knot because you don't want to leave it hanging, otherwise it'll come apart. So now you have your finished product. So thank you for watching.